everyone, it's Alex of Alex's English class. Today I'm going to introduce you about quantum computers, but before that, let's talk about computers. Well, computers are made up of modules, and then those modules are made up of logic gates, and logic gates are made up of transistors. Well, transistors are like a switch that blocks information or lets information go through. And then these information are bits which can be represented as 0 or 1. And then there are logic gates which do simple stuff. Well, our AND gate, when it gets an input of 1s, it outputs a 1, and otherwise it outputs a 0. And then with all the logic gates, we can add, and when we can add, we can multiply, and when we can multiply, we can do anything with that computer. But then, right now, these transistors are getting smaller and smaller into the quantum world. And now, these can go through places they should not be using quantum tunneling. And now those computers actually don't make sense. And so, that's because, so using these quantum physics, we can make quantum computers. And these quantum computers have qubits that can be 0 and 1 at the same time. And then when we make it into a filter, it collapses into 0 or 1. And then when these are, many, these can do many information at one time, because there are lots of combinations of bits, and one qubit can have all those information at the same time. And so, using those qubits, they can go through quantum gates, and then which manipulates it and then makes a new superposition. And using this, the superposition then collapses into numbers, and then because of that, the calculations get faster than real computers. Even though you have to double check, you may have to use superposition good, and when you use it good, it's better than the computers that we use right now. Well, first, there are two things good for quantum computers. First, database searching. Well, computers may have to do every possibility of the data of its database, but quantum computers can do it in a breeze. Second, there are a public key and a private key, and public keys can help crack, private keys, but with the original computers, that's actually impossible. But with computers, the quantum computers, it can take in a breeze. And so we don't know if this will be a revolution in humanity, and so we'll have to wait to see. Okay, today I introduced you about quantum computers, and next time I'll come with a different topic. Bye-bye, see you next time!